Hello, children. Today we are going to read a chapter from Living English, Chapter 7 Happy Birds. Alright, in this chapter, you will see that how should we keep birds and animals. Okay, and you will learn that we should not keep them in cages because everyone has the right to live in freedom. So, let's proceed. Now let's start reading. Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Rohan wanted a dog. Anu wanted a white kitten. Rohan and Anu walked to the pet shop in the market. In the shop, they saw dogs, cats, and rabbits. So here you can see there are two children, and the name of the children are Rohan and Anu. They wanted to keep a pet. Okay, they wanted to have their own pet. So what do they do? Rohan wanted a dog. Rohan wanted a dog as Anu wanted a white kitten. Kitten means cat's baby. Okay. So you can see the likeness is different. Okay. Means from each other. As Rohan wanted a dog and Anu wanted a kitten. Rohan and Anu walk to the pet shop in the market. So what do? They go to the pet shop in the markets to get a pet. In the shop, they saw dogs, cats, and rabbits. So, in the shop, what do they see? Uh, they see dogs, cats, and rabbits. Okay. Rohan and Anu liked them. They also some cages. There were parakeets in small cages. There were white and grey pigeons in a big cage. So both the children, Rohan and Anu, as they go to the shop and they see many animals like dogs, rabbits. So they both liked all the animals. They also saw some cages. They see that there are some cages in the shop. Cages means a kind of box, okay, where the birds and animals are kept. There were parakeets. Parakeets means a small parrot, okay, in small cages. Okay, they see that there are small parrots and they are kept in the cages. There were white and grey pigeons in a big cage. The birds looked sad. Rohan and Anu did not like to see the birds in cages. They felt sorry for the birds. So, when the children see that all the birds and animals are in cages, and they observe, they feel that birds look very sad. They are in cages, and the birds look sad. Okay, Rohan and Anu, both the children did not, means they do not like to see the birds in cages, means they do not feel that the birds, according to them, like they are thinking that birds should not be in cages, they should not keep in cages, as everyone has to live a life in their own way. Okay, so they do not feel good, they do not feel nice that the animals and birds are in cages. They felt sorry for the birds. They went back home. They told Granny what they had seen. Granny said, "Let us go to the shop right now." So they went back home. Okay, they came back home and they explained everything to their granny. Okay, they explained everything to granny, that what they had seen, means that they told everything, that all the birds and animals were in cages and they looked sad. Okay, so they told everything to granny, and granny said that let us go to the shop right now. Now they all are ready to go to the shop. Rohan, Anu, and Granny went to the shop. Granny said to the shopkeeper, "I want to buy these birds." The shopkeeper gave them birds in the cages. So here you can see that there is a shop, and all these three, like Rohan, Anu, and Granny, all are standing in a shop. And Granny said to the shopkeeper, that Granny tells to the shopkeeper that she wants to buy these birds, all the birds she wants to buy. the shopkeeper gave them the birds in the cages. So the shopkeeper gave all the birds, means which are in cages. So the shopkeeper handed over to them. She told the shopkeeper, "You should not keep birds in cages." "I'm sorry, ma'am. I will never sell birds now," he said. So she told the shopkeeper. Now she's granny, means she means granny over here. Granny is telling the shopkeeper that you should not keep the birds in the cages. Okay, she's trying to make him understand that he should not keep the birds in the cages. "I'm sorry, ma'am. I will never sell birds now," he said. Now, shopkeeper understood that what Granny has said, and he said that I am sorry. That means he felt sorry, and he'll never sell birds now. Now he's not going to sell birds. Okay, from now onwards. All right. Rohan, Anu, and Granny came out of the shop. They opened the doors of the cages. The birds hopped out one by one. They flew away happily. So, what happened at the end? Rohan, Anu, Granny came out of the shop as they have bought all the birds. Okay, so what they have done? Rohan, Anu, Granny, they just came out of the shop and they opened the doors of the cages. The birds hopped one by one. Hop one by one means to move. Okay, the birds, all the birds come out of the cages. Okay, uh, they flew away and happily, as we know that birds like flying, right? So they flew away, all the birds flew away and they were looking so happy. Okay, so that was a chapter, and what we have learned from this chapter, that we should not keep the birds and animals in cages. Okay, we should not keep them in cages. Rather we should give them food. We should provide food to them. Okay, children. So that was the chapter. Now let's start doing back exercise of the chapter. A part, match the columns to make sentences. So let us start, children. Anu wanted a dash. What did Anu want, children? She wanted a white kitten. Rohan and Anu saw parakeets. Where did they see? They saw in small cages. Okay. So second one will be matched with C part. The pigeons were white and grey. So you have to complete it in the same way. B part, circle the animals Rohan and Anu saw in the pet shop. You have to circle those animals which these children saw in the pet shop. Read the words on the word wall. D part, here you can see wall is given and a few words are written like dog, log, frog, like, bike, hike, flew, blew, new, cry, dry and fry. Fill in the letters to make words from the word wall. So here you can see that the letter is given, first letter is given and you have to complete it. Clues are given, like which picture is this? Frog. So frog is written. Next is bike. Okay, bike is given. Then flew and then cry. Okay. E part, write the he and she words in the correct column. So you have to write the words he and she in the correct column, like left side she is given and the right side he is written over here. So you have to you have to write the given words like sister, father, uncle, grandpa, daughter. So for sister will come in which category? Like she, it will be written under she, and father will be written and under he. Okay, we use pronoun he for father and we use pronoun she for mother. Okay, then here you can see that uncle will be written in the category of he. Then aunt, daughter will be written in category of she. Okay, you have to complete it on your own. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.